Hey guys, it's Fire Creeper, and today I'm gonna be making another video. But this nice dude, this dude,
Is that?
I gave him some rap in this game, and
I am mad at you.
what's it? Oops. Ah,
Ever
ah.
mad in my
Yeah.
pushing.
He said, "Hi, what's up?"
Push up.
Okay, I'm leaving. I gotta go back to work.
Okay, come on.
And
Before you get hurt. Come on.
yeah, we're playing some case picker, and I'm at my rap is 1.0 trillion.
I'll be back after a while. You guys, be good for Papa.
Yeah, like he said. He said, everyone subscribe!
My heel.
Everyone subscribe! Okay.
Where's
Yep.
she going?
Woo!
Nowhere.
Yeah!
I'm gonna go.
Alright. Leaderboard in this server. Seriously, no leaderboard. No. Leader. Board. And this server. Leaderboard in this server. XD. Leaderboard in this server. XD.
No, quit it. What it can do.
Alright.
God, what it can do.
And guys, if you want to play this game, just go in the link in the description in order to type up Case Clicker. And dude, if you're watching this video, please create an account and subscribe. All you have to do is create an email, like I did,
Let me see the creepy thing.
and
What creepy thing?
you knew me down my video, Ashley.
What video?
And
In Ashton's.
when you create your email, then literally sign into your email, then go to YouTube, create add email or anything, just create an account, and then when you create a YouTube account, name it whatever you want. You can change your name. You can name it whatever you want,
Yeah.
and start making videos. So my recorder will be in this link description. If he's watching it to do with. That's all you do. That's why I'm giving you a little bit. The Duck Squad.
I'm not playing this anymore.
Duck
I'm gonna play some jail.
Squad.
Time to play some jail.
Sure. The Duck Squad jerk. But I already have it. XD5. Ooh, that is purchase. Woohoo! I don't have it. Okay. This shirt is always free to purchase. 10 Robux has all been free. Wow.
Evan, I don't know what
Wait.
to press.
Oh my god, look at this.
Evan.
What? Click up. Sorry guys. I got my bladder. There we started. Wait. Oh, stair. Up here. Okay. 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 I have that shirt. I have it. Purchases 5 Robux. Told you. It's 5 Robux. Hey. That's pretty cool. Purchase 69 Robux. I ain't got that. I literally spent all my Robux on Bloxburg. But that will be Robux 47. Oops. 47. 47. But, dude, if you're watching this, I'm just going to tell you. You don't want to know what I have on my page on my computer. XD. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Go trade. Ooh, set. Oh. Here you go. Here you are. Hey dude, if you're watching this again, I know you'll be watching this. If you see a little bit of my videos, you see all my games. But if you don't watch them, well, I'm just gonna show you. Get that files off. Get my files off. I don't want you guys to see my files. See, this is all the games. I got my files already. I showed the people who is watching my all of my games. XD. And then I showed the people who's watching all of my games. XD. Okay. Should I sell my Brock Dumbo crown for market? Where my weed? You know what? You know what? Wait, no. At the market for. There. Wait, what? The market. Submit. Confirm. And the market. The game must be glitched. 60. The game must be glitched. 60. Wait, I'm gonna put something else on it. Submit. Confirm. Yeah. Let's open up a case. You know what? I'm just gonna open up a gold case. I don't even care. I don't even care. The zombie staff. Oh, I like that. Okay. Zombie staff. that I opened up a God case. I opened up a God case. Where did I buy it? Oh yeah. What is it? What is it?
No, floor. I find one gummy
Right.
or one piece of paper
Sorry guys,
on this
if
floor.
you can hear the background.
I'm gonna tear you your butt. I'm tired of picking the food up.
Sorry if you can hear the background. Sorry. Okay.
9 o'clock. You guys are gonna get busy picking this room up.
Confirm.
Here.
Oh my gosh. What's everybody's
Right. I'm gonna keep on a minute. Wait. One. One.
When did I go that?
Minute. Confirm.
8.
I'm going to end the vid. Now I'm almost at the max of
Stop. I'm
record.
not eating on my bed. Yeah.
We're in the vid now. I'm almost at the max of recording. Well, that's it, guys. That's it for the video. So, bye and have a great day. And peace. And please like my videos. And bye.